Hey guys, I'm Chani and you're watching The Art of Science. In today's science video of the day, we are going to see how you can save a cup or a mug with a nut. Yup, you heard it right. This small hex nut or a bolt is going to save a cup using science. See? Magic. Well, every magic trick or everything whatsoever has science behind it. Let's understand the science behind this one. When we release the nut, the cup starts to fall. Now, because of that, the nut gets pulled forward in the horizontal direction. However, there's another force, that's gravity, which is pulling the nut downwards in the vertical direction. Now, as a resultant of these two forces, the nut finally moves in a pendulum-like motion in an arc. Since the nut is traveling quite fast, it starts wrapping around the finger. Now this results in the string getting shorter and shorter, so the rotation becomes faster. All of this creates friction. The more the number of times it wraps around, the more friction it creates and stops the cup from falling. Here, now you know how the nut saves the cup. Let's now see this cup saving a watermelon. This video is from a live science show, FabLabShow, featuring a robot chip. For more details about this crazy experimental show, check out the description box below. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below and we'll see you next week.